Are you getting Discord error 2012 and can't log in or connect? There are a few quick fixes that usually solve it. First, fully close Discord. Make sure it's not running in the background. Check your system tray and hit quit. Next, restart your internet connection. Turn your router off for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Now reopen Discord and see if the error is gone. Sometimes it's just a temporary connection issue. If it's still there, try logging in through your browser instead. Go to Discord's web version and check if it works there. Another fix is clearing Discord's cache. On Windows, press Windows plus R, then type %appdata%, then find the Discord folder and delete the cache, code cache, and GPU cache folders. Also, make sure your app is updated. Outdated versions can sometimes cause errors like this. Last option, temporarily disable your VPN or firewall if you're using one. These can sometimes block Discord's connection. And that's it. One of these fixes should get rid of Discord error 2012. Hopefully you're back in chatting again. If this video helped you, please leave a like or subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.